Frugal living is all about living below your means, reducing expenses, and finding ways to save money. It's not about being cheap or penny pinching, it's about making smart financial choices and living a more intentional lifestyle. And the best part is, it's not just about saving money, it's about living better. In this video, we'll be sharing practical tips and secrets for beginners looking to start living a more frugal lifestyle. What is frugal living? Think of it as the art of stretching your dollars and making them work harder for you. It's about finding balance between enjoying the present and saving for the future. It's about being resourceful and finding ways to get more out of less. And the best part is, it's not just about saving money, it's about living better. Living frugally means making thoughtful choices about how you spend your money and being mindful of your consumption. It means evaluating your needs and wants and making sure you're spending your money on things that matter most to you. It's about choosing quality over quantity and being content with what you have. Frugal living tips for beginners. First things first, creating a budget is key to living a frugal lifestyle. It's important to know where your money is going and to make sure you're spending it on the things that matter most to you. Once you have a clear understanding of your income and expenses, you can start identifying areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses. One easy way to start living more frugally is by cutting back on eating out. Cooking at home not only saves money, but it also allows you to have more control over the ingredients and portion sizes. You can also try cutting back on entertainment expenses by opting for free or low-cost activities, such as going for a hike, having a picnic in the park, or hosting a game night with friends. Another tip for beginners is to take advantage of coupons and discounts. Whether it's clipping coupons from the newspaper or using cashback apps, taking advantage of deals and discounts can help you save money on the things you need and want. Another way to save money is by buying in bulk. This can be especially helpful for non-perishable items like toilet paper, cleaning supplies, and so on. Secrets to saving money. Saving money is a crucial aspect of frugal living, and the good news is it doesn't have to be difficult or painful. The key is to make saving money a habit and to find ways to save money that work for you. One secret to saving money is to automate your savings. You can do this by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This way, you won't have to think about it, and the money will be saved automatically. Another secret to saving money is to pay yourself first. Before you pay any bills or make any purchases, set aside a certain amount of money into your savings account. This way, you'll be saving money before you have a chance to spend it. Another way to save money is by taking advantage of rewards programs and cashback credit cards. Many credit cards offer cashback or reward points for certain purchases, such as gas or groceries. By using these cards, you can earn money back on the things you're already buying. Another secret to saving money is by shopping around for better prices. Whether it's for groceries, gas, or big-ticket items, it's always a good idea to shop around and compare prices before making a purchase. Frugal living and living better. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Frugal living is not just about saving money. It's about living a more intentional and fulfilling life. It's about making the most of what you have and finding ways to enjoy the present while saving for the future. One of the key benefits of frugal living is that it allows you to prioritize the things that matter most to you. Whether it's traveling, buying a home, or investing in your future, frugal living can give you the financial freedom to pursue your passions and dreams. Another benefit of frugal living is that it can lead to a more minimalist and clutter-free lifestyle. When you're mindful of your consumption and focus on buying only what you need, you'll find yourself surrounded by less clutter and more space. Frugal living also teaches you to be more self-sufficient, resourceful, and creative. It helps you to be more mindful of your consumption, and as a result, it helps you to take care of the environment by consuming less. Frugal living and the environment. Frugal living and environmentalism go hand in hand, as both focus on being mindful of consumption and making the most of resources. By living frugally, you're not only saving money, but you're also reducing your environmental footprint. One of the ways frugal living benefits the environment is by reducing waste. When you're mindful of your consumption and focus on buying only what you need, you'll find yourself generating less waste. This means less trash in landfills and less pollution in the air and water. Another way frugal living benefits the environment is by promoting energy efficiency. By using less energy and resources, you're reducing your carbon footprint and helping to preserve the planet for future generations. Frugal living also promotes the use of public transportation, biking, or walking, instead of using private cars. This helps to reduce the amount of CO2 emissions in the air. Frugal living and personal development. Frugal living is not just about saving money. It's about developing the skills and habits that lead to financial stability and success. By living frugally, you're not only saving money, but you're also developing important life skills such as budgeting, saving, and investing. One of the key benefits of frugal living is that it encourages self-discipline. When you're mindful of your spending and make an effort to live within your means, you're developing the habit of self-discipline, which can be applied in other areas of your life. Another benefit of frugal living is that it promotes creativity and resourcefulness. When you're living on a budget, you're forced to think outside the box and come up with creative solutions to problems. This can be a valuable skill to have in both your personal and professional life. Frugal living also helps you to develop a sense of gratitude, as it teaches you to appreciate and make the most of what you have. It encourages you to focus on what's important and to be content with what you have, which is a valuable trait for personal development. Overcoming frugal living challenges. Frugal living can be a challenge, especially when you're first starting out. It can be hard to change your habits, and you may find yourself facing obstacles along the way. But don't worry, with a little bit of determination and the right mindset, you can overcome these challenges and live a frugal life that you love. One of the biggest challenges of frugal living is sticking to a budget. It can be easy to overspend, but with a little bit of planning and discipline, you can stay on track. Make sure to track your spending and set realistic budgets for different areas of your life. Another challenge of frugal living is avoiding the pressure to keep up with others. It can be hard to resist the urge to buy things that others have. But remember that frugal living is about living within your means and focusing on what's important to you. A third challenge is to overcome the temptation of instant gratification. Frugal living requires patience and planning, but it can be hard to resist the temptation to spend money on things that you want right now. Instead, focus on your long-term goals and the benefits that frugal living can bring.